Hi, I'm Miss Wong. Today we're going to look at graphing quadratics with the CAS calculator. Take out your CAS and follow along. The instructions are there, or you can look on the CAS to see where the buttons are. So first of all, graph and table is right there. Click on that. And then I already have the equation, but if you were to clear, you would hit edit, clear all, and that will empty or clear out your screen. Let's sketch this equation over here, x squared minus 8x plus 15. We do so by using the keyboard over here. So type in x. To do squared, we use a little hat, 2. And what does it say? Minus 8x plus 15. And then whenever you're done, always hit the enter button, execute. So our calculator knows, yep, we're done. And then to graph, we look for that symbol which is found at the corner up there. So hitting that will give us a graph. Now you can move the graph and have a look at it. And if you want to analyze, you click on analyze, G-solve, and then to find different things, they're all there. But we'll go through that next lesson. So just practice sketching the graph for now. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.